Welcome back, sweet friends. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to Farmhouse at Meadow Hill. If you haven't seen my 2022 spring decorating series, I will put that link in the description box below and you can go view those, where I decorated different parts of my home for this spring. Now, before I get started with decorating today, I'm doing a collaboration and I'm going to decorate these shelves. I'm going to let this sweet lady that I met on YouTube introduce herself to you.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Bumblebee Farmhouse. I wanted to thank my friend here, Rebecca, on YouTube for collaborating with me today, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about me. My name is Angie and my channel is the Bumblebee Farmhouse. My inspiration here starts not only from the love for the farmhouse, but the many bumblebees that reside here on our property. Here at my channel, I hope you can find some inspiration to make your house a home sweet home. I love decorating, cooking, baking, antiquing, the love for my family and my fur babies. I am definitely a homebody that loves to stay home and decorate and do anything that has to do with homemaking. So I hope you can spend some time on my channel and stay a while by clicking that subscribe button, and I can't wait to get to know you. And again, thank you so much, Rebecca, for collaborating with me today. I am so excited about this. So I'm going to let you get back to your decorating, and I hope to see you over at my channel.
You'll be able to find that link to Angie's channel in the description box below. Be sure and go over and say hello and that you came from my channel. Okay guys, to decorate my shelves that I have right up there, that's what I'm going to work on today. That little shelf that's sitting on my counter, pretty much everything stays the same. Sometimes I'll change it out for seasonal, but the top two shelves is what I want to work on. So I'm going to show you what I have to go up there. I have this galvanized bucket, and I just took a chalk pen. You can get those from the Dollar Tree for $1, maybe $1.25 now, I'm not sure, but around $1. And I wrote seeds, stems, and blooms. And I do have some eucalyptus here, and I'm just going to put that down in there. And I want the handle to sort of stand up. This is going up on the shelf. Next, I have this old scale that was gifted to me. It's very heavy, all metal. This is plastic. It actually broke and I had to repair it. And this is just a little Ray-Dun bowl, but I'm going to turn this around and then add some greenery. Next, I found this little plant stool. It's a door from Hobby Lobby. I think it was $14.99 with half off, maybe 40% off, I'm not sure. You can get it in 2 different colors. This was just the raw wood, which I do love. And if I wanted to, I could paint it later, but I like it just the way it is. And this little frame, I already had this, and I did a printout on my computer that just says bloom and added that in the frame. So I can also go back to the original what was in there. It was a farmer's market for fall, but I like how that looks. And this is just a stand. It's got a cork board where you could put little notes on one side. It's got a little chain there that keeps it from folding out. But I took my chalk pen and just wrote some spring floral stems and just guessed at a price, but I had fun doing it. So that's going to go up on my shelf also. And I've got one more thing to put together. This is a little galvanized trough, and in this I have some greenery. So I'm going to put this lens here in the bottom. And I've got 3 little terracotta pots. And I'm going to put this one this way. I'm going to set this one right in the middle, just angling it up at the top. Put some lush greenery in there. And then this one, I think I'm just going to lay off to the side. Let me put them up there. Then I will come back and show you what it looks like. So I ordered 2 metal fresh cut or fresh flower market signs from Amazon.com. And I'm going to show you the picture. I'm a little disappointed. I'm going to show you the picture of the one. It said that it was like a street sign. Now, guys, this does not look like a street sign. It looks like sort of like a license plate that would go on the front of a car. So in the picture, it didn't show those 4 little screw holes, but there it is. So I wanted this sign to go up here, but I'm not sure how I'm going to cover those. So it's sort of misleading. I only paid $8.99. It was free shipping. And I'm not going to send it back. I may use this one outside. I don't know. I might be able to cover that. And those may not show, but it's definitely not what the picture showed. So a little disappointed, but I'm going to see what I can do and maybe use that. But the other one, it's really cute. It did show that it had the 4 little holes in each corner. Let me see what I can do to fix this problem and get it put up on the shelf. Okay guys, as simple as it may be, I like it. I feel like I could have added a little more greenery. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I needed a little more greenery, or do you like it as is?